Som Mittal will continue as the NASSCOM president till early 2014, and this decision was taken at the Software Lobby's Executive Council meeting in Chennai today. Tracking all of those developments is Chandra Ranganathan from the heart of all kinds of information technology in Bangalore. Chandra, good to have you on the show. It looks like the IT industry has voted for continuity in crisis. So what if North Block hasn't?
Absolutely, Supriya. Amidst all the volatility and uncertainty that they are seeing in their business, I think they at least wanted some stability and continuity as far as the software lobby is concerned, and that's why you saw Som Mittal getting a 2-year extension of his term. So he will continue as NASSCOM president till the early part of 2014, and this, I hear, is a unanimous decision that was taken today at the NASSCOM Executive Council meeting in Chennai. Now, in the run-up to this meeting, there was a lot of speculation about whether Mittal will continue as president, because remember, Kiran Karnik stepped down when he was 60 years old in 2007. Som Mittal turned 60 this year, so there was a lot of speculation on that front. Also, murmurs coming in from the smaller companies that they were not very happy with him being president. But it looks like all those doubts were really brushed aside today, and we've picked up from NASSCOM that they really didn't have to amend any existing policy, that they didn't really have a retirement age, and that Kiran Karnik's decision to step down at 60 was purely a personal decision. So clearly no controversies emerging out of that meeting. They've unanimously decided to retain Som Mittal as the face and voice of NASSCOM for another 2 years.